Hi everyone, I will show you how to use Instagram Boomerang effect. First of all, open the Instagram app, swipe right, and you can see the icon of the boomerang in the middle of the left. Then tap this icon and hold the boomerang icon, and the boomerang effect is apply on your video.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.